Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set a password on a folder. To start, go to your web browser. Here, search for 7-zip download. Now click on download. Here you need to download 7-zip as per your operating system version. Click on the download button. Then select the folder where you want to download it. Click on Save. Once it is downloaded, go to Recent Downloads. Here, click on this file. After that, install it in your system. Once done, click on Close. Now go to your PC and right-click on the folder that you want to lock. Now select the option of 7-zip. Then click on Add to Archive. Select the archive format as zip. After that, enter your password. Right below it, you need to re-enter the password. Also, select encryption method as zip crypto. Then click on OK. Wait for it to complete the process. This is how your locked folder will look like. Now let's try to open it. Click on it and click on OK. Now to see its data, right-click on the folder. Here click on Extract. Click on Yes. After that, it will ask for the password to show data, which means no one can access this folder without the password. Enter the password which you have set. Then click on OK. Your folder has been extracted and you can use it. So this is how you can set a password on a folder. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.